Khoma hekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli mukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
He even indicated that he was still wearing the same Rolex watch that he was influenced to claim that it has been stolen.
Inhloko yophiko lezomhloli emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana eholwa ke ijaji uMbuyiseni Madlanga iphenya ke izinsolo zokuxambukela kosombusazwe namaqembu ezigelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
I couldn't understand exactly what the reasons were for the disbandment of the task team.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFiroz Kachale uthi akazange asiqondisise ke isinqumo sikaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa sathatha umhlaba khefu senzo umchune sokuhlakaza iPKTT. uKachale wethula kubufakazi ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende eliphenya ngeSAPS.
Ngithi ngiyazi kodwa ngithi mina angikhumbuli ngikwenza. Ukukwenza ngingakwenza kodwa angisakhumbuli isikhathi sesiside kakhulu lento le okukhulunywa ngayo la.
Umbuso uyaqhubeka nokupheka ngembuzo umsola ke oqala ke ecaleni lokubulawa kukalowo wabeke unozindwe Orlando Pirates neqembu lesizwe iBafana Bafana uSenzo Meyiwa enkantolo ke ephakeme yasePitoli. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindabeni ke zehora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke na ku-SABC le high igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Inhloko yezomhloli embuthweni wamaphoyisa uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo seqinisekisile ukuthi kwafika ezindlebeni zakhe ukuthi ke iphini lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa lisamiswe emsebenzini. uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya wanxusa uVusumuzi Khedmatlala ukuthi avulele uKhumalo kanye nethimba lakhe icala lokweba impahla elingamampunge. uKhumalo kuphinde watshela ke isigcawu ukuthi ukuhlakazwa kwePKTT okwenziwa ngozibandlela zingamashumi ke amathathu nomuvu nyakenye kwamethusa kakhulu.
uKhumalo uthi yena kanye nethimba lakhe abazange bawathokozele neza amaholide kazibandlela wangonyaka odlule ngenxa yokubhecwa ngobende inyama bengayidlanga. Uthi izinsolo zokweba iwashi kanye nemokboko kasomabhizinisi uVusumuzi Khedmatlala zahlaluka emhlanganweni aba nawo nowabengungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kuleli uBhekicele.
He confirmed to the minister that that was not the case. Those items were not taken by the team, and also he even indicated that he was still wearing the same Rolex watch that he was influenced to claim that it has been stolen.
Uthi akawuqalanga kahle neze lo nyaka iphendula inqwaba yemibuzo yethimba lakhe kwazise incwadi yokuhlakazwa kwalo leli thimba wayibona ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
From my personal perspective, it was indeed not the Happy New Year's Day, because I had to expect or receive calls from more than 110 people that I thought I am their leader, asking me one and the same question, all of them. Unfortunately, I could not answer any of those people that were asking what's happening. I had never been given an opportunity to brief the ministry. I've never received any complaints or signs of unhappiness. Was never consulted when the letter then was drafted and finalized. It came as a surprise even to myself.
Isigcawu siphinde sezwa ukuthi ungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kaKhumalo kanye noSibiya kwaholela ekutheni zingagcwaliswa izikhala zomsebenzi ophikweni lwezobunhloli. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.
ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFeroz Khatshalo wethula ubufakazi ekomidini lesikhashana lephalamende nokuyikomidi elithungelelwe ukuba ke liphenye ngezithole ezavezwa ngumkhuzi wamaphoyisa esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
I raised the matter on at least 2 occasions with the National Commissioner. I was trying to understand whether the task team had been disbanded or not. And if it had been disbanded, what had happened to the dockets?
uSolwazi uFeroz Khatshalo ngungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa njengamanje nokungumuntu ongene kulesi sikhundla emva kokuba uSenzo Mchunu enikezwe umhlaba khefu uthuzame aze abamabili amahlandla ukhuluma nomkhozi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke ufane Masimula ukuthola kabanzi ngokuhlakazwa kwethimba elasungulelwa ukuba lilandelela udaba lokubulawa kosombusazwe. Khatshalo uthi azange zize zwenza umqondo kuyizathu ikaMchunu zokuhlakazwa kwalo leli thimba.
I couldn't understand exactly what the reasons were for the disbandment of the task team. It seemed to me that the problem of, let's call them political killings, I'll come back to that, was an ongoing one.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uthi ukuze kunqanda ubugebengu obuhleliwe obubandakanya ukugambukela kwabo sombusazwe kufanele kusungulwe ithimba elifuze lona leli lisematheni ngenxa yokuhlakazwa.
There were prosecutors, dedicated prosecutors who were deployed to that team. Now, to deal with the challenge of organized crime, that's exactly what we need.
uKhatshalo ugcizelele ukuthi namanje akanalo ulwazi lokuthi ngabe kuphi imininingwane yaqoqwa yithimba elasungulelwa ukuba liphenye ngokubulawa kosombusazwe. Uthi lokho kungaholela ekutheni eminye imindeni ingabutholi ubulungiswa.
Umsolo wokuqala ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa uMoses Sibiya uyaqhubeka nokuphekwa ngembuzo enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli malungana namakhadi asebhange okuvele ke estatementeni zakhe zasebhange wasebenzisa ke ngezikhathi ezehlukene ngo-2015.
Namhlanje umbuso uyaqhubeka nokupheka ngembuzo umsola wokuqala ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa uMoses Sibiya. uSibiya ubuzwe ngamakhadi ehlukene abewasebenzisa ukukhipha imali ebhange ngesikhathi ezehlukene ngo-2015.
Uthi ngisebenzisa leli khadi mhlawumbe ikhadi lisebenzisa le number le esho umshushisi hayi ukuthi mina ngisebenzisa leli khadi ngoba bengichaza ukuthi leli khadi leli alisetshenziswa yini. Umbali wayesebenzisa leli khadi namanje ngisasho leli khadi leli besebenzisa umbali ngoba ngithi le account le ibisetshenziswa umbali. Umuntu ebesebenzisa le account. Ngiyaphinda futhi angikhumbuli ngishisha ikhadi laseNetbank.
Nakuba uSibiya eliphika elinye ikhadi ethakusile lakhe, umshushisi ubeke esefunda izitatimende zebhange lakhe nalapho kuvela khona ukuthi kwenziwa ikhadi elisha ngoNtulikazi wango-2015.
Ngiyavuma ukuthi umuntu mayeshintsha ibhanke ungena mayeshintsha ikhadi ungena ngaphakathi ebhanke. Ngithi ngiyazi kodwa ngithi mina angikhumbuli ngikwenza. Ukukwenza ngingakwenza kodwa angisakhumbuli isikhathi sesiside kakhulu lento le okukhulunywa ngayo la. Sesiside kakhulu isikhathi sakhona sendlule. Ungalishintsha ikhadi akusho ukuthi lalisetshenziswa yimi ikhadi lalisetshenziswa umbali. Mhlawumbe ngenze ukuthi malishintshe naleyo nkinga leni nawo. Mara umuntu oyesebenzisa le khadi leli sonke isikhathi umbali. Umuntu ophila emhlabeni ukukhohlwa umuntu uyakhohlwa engasakhumbuli ezinye izinto uyakhohlwa ezinye izinto ayikhumbuli. Le ngoba ngisho ukuthi angisayikhumbuli.
uSibiya ubeloku emile kwelokuthi akakhumbule enze ikhadi elisha lasebhange kanti futhi akusuyo belisebenzisa leli khadi. Leli cala liyaqhubeka.
Sehlehle lomhlazi ngama-20 kwephezulu icala likaTiffany Mick nobhekene necala lokubulala indodana yakhe yayineminyaka eyi-10 ubudala uJayden Lee Mick. Lo msolo neminyaka engama-21 usolwa ke ngokubulala indodana yakhe ekhaya labo ke eLsefvlehof eGoli kanti uphinde abhekene ke nelinye icala lokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho. Isidumbuko salomfanyana ke sathola ke eduze ke neitezi ke endaweni ke lapho ke ayihlala khona nonina. uTiffany Mick wabeke eseboshwa ngemva ke kwesikhashana kepha ke kuze kube manje umile kwelokuthi umsulwa. Namhlanje ucela ukuhlinzeka ngommeli wombuso ngenxa yokuthi akasenayo ke imali yokukhokhela ke obengummeli wakhe uNovin Naidu. iDemocratic Alliance isimemezele amalunga ayamasha aqembuke kwe-ANC ahlanganyela ke ne-DA ngethemba lokuthi azokwenza kokungcono uma ke esehlanganyele naleli iqembu. Lamalunga athi ke azimisele ukufika nezinguquko kuleli iqembu.
Then we have Paulus Strauss, who's a ward councillor in a place called Gravater. It's a tiny little place in the Cederberg municipality. and we welcome him too. He's another ward councillor who's prepared to fight his seat on the basis of principle. And this is just the tip of a growing avalanche in the ANC that will gather momentum over the months ahead. In fact, I'm prepared to predict that the ANC will continue to disintegrate in this province. Its polling is the lowest it's ever been. And again, as politics realigns, some will go to the racial nationalists, authoritarian parties, amongst which is the PA, and others who are Democrats and who want the rule of law and due process and inclusion will come to the DA, and Neville is one of those.
Mbukeli sisathiqo ezitolo kanti masibuya sizokuphathela uDouble team.
The investigation process will then be able to tell the extent of the force that was utilized.
Ukhomishana wezamajele uMakgothi Thobakgalo uthiko uphenyo lokuqala luvezwa ukuthi ukushona kweziboshwa ezintathu lwakamuva ejele iPaulsmoor eCape Peninsula kuhlobeneke neqembu lesigelekeqe. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi inhloko yophiko lezomhlolo emaphoyiseni uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo uyaqhubeka nokwethula kubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana keholwa yijaji uMbuyiseni Madlanga ephenya ke izitsolo zokuxhambukela kosombusazwe namaqembu ezigelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo.
I-SABC ikusakazela bukhoma ingqungquthela ye-G20 SA 2025.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyazele Sofuthi ke sezimngomumo zonke izinhlelo zokusingathwa kwengqungquthela ye-G20 eGauteng. uLesofika uphinde wakhipha nesexwayiso esiqinile kulabo abazophazamisa njengoba ethi umbutho wezokuvikela ukulungele ukubhekana nabo.
Disruptors. We are calling for those that are hell-bent to disrupt events and do wrong things.
uLesufi namalungu esigungu sakhe esiphezulu baqinisekise izakhamuzi ukuthi lesifundazwe iGauteng sesikulungele ukusingatha ingqungquthela yamashumi amabili iG20 ephephile ezoba iseNasrec. Le ngqungquthela izobe ihlanganisa izinhloko zamazwe nohulumeni emhlabeni.
We are of the strong view that this will be the biggest event that will bring huge investment in our province. Remember, it's the first time, not only as a country but as a continent, that you host a G20 meeting of leaders. So, like Thando indicated, we have redirected our budget on service delivery, which is a normal process. For example, the Department of Roads in our province, we had to give them, how much did we give Gideon?
150 million.
We had to give them additional 150 million.
Owengamele ezemigwaqo nezokuthutha eGauteng uthi imizamo yokuthuthukisa ezokuphepha nokuhleleka kwedolobha izoqhubeka noma sekudlulele ingqungquthela iG20.
The commitment from Gauteng and all its municipalities is to eradicate lawlessness and also ensure that our province is clean.
uLesufi uthi umkhankaso wokuthuthukisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo esifundazweni uzoqhubeka nangale kwalengqungquthela.
Ukhomishana wezamajele uMakgothi Thobakgalo uthi uphenyo lokuqala luvezwa ukuthi ukushona kweziboshwa ezintathu kwakamuva ejele iPaulsmoor eCape Peninsula kuhlobeneke neqembu lesigelekeqe. uThobakgalo kusho lokhu ke ngesikhathi ebambe isithangami nabezindaba.
Well, this could not have been avoided. Let me indicate why. This attack was executed by offenders that were classified as cleaners. So these are offenders that would have had a good record for them to be allocated a task to clean. This attack took place after the serving of breakfast. So offenders had been under lockup at that time. Only the cleaners were allowed to do the cleaning duty. The number one attacker actually requested to be, accompanied to utilize ablution facilities. So in that type of an environment, you would not be able, unless you had prior information that something like this would happen. The investigation process will then be able to tell the extent of the force that was utilized, but also you will recognize that the pathological reports or the health, reports from the health professionals would also point to the effect, the power of the force that was utilized. But normally we apply force as allowed for in the legislation.
Iphini likaMengameli elisanda kuxoshwa eqenjini iAfrica Mayibuye Movement uNolubabalo Mcinga uthi ukhishwa keNyombazane kuleli iqembu ngemva kokuhlangana nomholi weqembu leMK Party uJacob Zuma ngenhloso yokuncela ulwazi nobuhlakani.
Within the leadership of Mayibuye, there are officials that are having husbands in Umkhonto weSizwe. There are people from Mayibuye that are dating in the EFF. So why must I be in trouble if I go and have a one-on-one with President Jacob Zuma? Because I was feeling very intimidated by the leadership of Africa Mayibuye, and I decided to go to President Jacob Zuma to go ask, if you are in a situation like this, what do you do? Because my voice was silenced in Africa Mayibuye. So by going to go get some wisdom from an experienced seasonal politician.
Umnyango wezemfundo eMpumalanga uzichithile izitolo zokuthi kunezisebenzi ezingekho ezitholake imihlomulo okuhlanganisa imiholo. Lokho kulandela kombiko okhishwa umcwaningi mabhuku jikelele othi umnyango ulahlekelwe imali engu 1.8 billion wamarandi.
What we can indicate as a department is that we reject the reports that are misleading, that indicates that the department has ghost workers. We don't have ghost workers. What is a challenge is that there is overpayment that as a result of when someone passed away and the salary has already run through the salary interface. However, we're able to recoup that money through the debt section of the department. Even the treasury regulation, the treasury verification of employees has found out there is no ghost worker in the department, but also the Auditor General, there is no way in the report for the Auditor General that speaks about ghost workers in the department, but they have actually found the department on the material irregularity because of the systems issue, most especially that is caused by late reporting of if someone passed away or someone resigns at the time where already their salary is already run through the system.
Mbukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakaza. Sale kahle.